I can't tell you why. Still can't hit those high notes. You would think, with my voice changing again and all. Hey, good morning. How's it going? It is Wednesday. It's March 26th. Coffee and a forecast time. My eyes got really itchy all of a sudden. I don't know. Maybe the pollen's back up. Maybe yesterday's wind. It's going to be really windy today. Are you ready for that? Are you sure? So yesterday, and I explained it in a really bad video that I shot with my Moto X in the wind, and I was looking on the wrong side of the phone. But yeah, we had Virga yesterday with some showers and even some isolated weak thunderstorms. And so as that rain evaporated, it cools the air, and that makes the air more dense, and it falls more quickly, and then it hits the ground, spreads out, and we get some gusty winds. And even sent a haboob to Phoenix. Sorry about that, guys. Probably no haboobs today, but there'll probably be some blowing dust. Here are the numbers from yesterday. We did hit 83 at 2 in the afternoon, and then it got cooler thanks to that Virga around, and even a few sprinkles here in Oro Valley. It was on my windshield, so I'll call that a trace of rain here. 51 was the low yesterday. No rain officially at the airport, and we're still well below average for the year. Not as bad if you go back to October 1st, though. And then our sunrise this morning at 6:20. That happened a half hour ago. And sunset tonight at 6:39. Lots going on in the weather. A low pressure system moving through the northern part of the state in southern Utah. And that's going to really kick up the winds today and increase the clouds. So we're talking winds gusting to around 40 miles an hour with a high near 80. Winds relax tonight after midnight, so still pretty windy in the evening. Red flag warning up from 11 o'clock this morning until 7 o'clock tonight for a high fire danger. So if you smoke, keep your butts in the car. That's all I'm saying. So tomorrow, a little bit breezy, 5 to 15 miles an hour, and nice and cool. I mean, tomorrow looks great, 72 for a high. And Friday, probably like the perfect day of this forecast, 76 with not much wind and a lot of sunshine. Then we warm into the 80s on Saturday, low 80s Sunday. Low 80. Then we warm into the 80s this weekend, is what I meant to say. Low 80s Saturday, mid 80s Sunday. Mid 80s, but breezy on Monday. Breezy and cooler on Tuesday with a high near 80. Here's what's going on around the rest of the country. And so we have the exiting storm system for the East Coast, bringing the heavy snow with it. Although it looks like the maritime provinces of Canada getting heavy snow. So what's that? Nova Scotia and Newfoundland or Newfoundland. And some heavy snow too for parts of Maine. And then back to the northern Great Lakes, some heavy snow possible from, say, Traverse City, Michigan, and up into northern Minnesota. South of that, though, it's rain and snow and then rain for the Mississippi Valley. And let's see what else we have here. Rain and thunderstorms possible for Texas into Oklahoma and Kansas. And then it gets to be a big mess in the west thanks to a couple lows. One of those lows, the one that'll be moving through northern Arizona, southern Utah, bringing heavy snow to the mountains of California into southern Oregon. And rain and snow for eastern Oregon and Washington. And then snow for northern Washington into Idaho and Montana and Wyoming, and heavy snow in parts of Colorado. And then rain and snow for parts of New Mexico and Utah, and rain along the California coast and all the way up through Oregon and Washington and into British Columbia as well. And snow for lots of Canada, the southern part of Canada. So good day, eh? Great White North, staying white. Congratulations. Okay, so windy today. You ready for that? It'll be kicking up, especially this afternoon. Winds out of the west, 20 to 25 miles an hour, gusting to around 40 and a high near 80. Also increasing clouds today. And then decreasing clouds after midnight tonight, along with decreasing winds and a low near 52. By tomorrow, just, 5 to 15 mile an hour winds, high near 72. And Friday, sunshine, not much wind, 76. 82-ish on Saturday, 86 or so on Sunday, 85 and breezy on Monday, and near 80 and breezy on Tuesday. There you go, coffee and a forecast with allergy eyes. How about that? Have a great day. That's my plan. See you tomorrow.